Hey guys, here's a quick tutorial on our Thrive weight tracker for the Drop 2 Sizes Challenge. So you're going to get a direct link sent to you via private message and also by email with instructions on how to get to this page. It'll just be a simple link. When you come in here, there'll be some basic instructions, but all you'll have to do is just go over to month 1 and then you'll go ahead and enter in your date. Now, ideally, what we're looking for is for you to record your weight or your body weight 2 to 3 non-consecutive days of the week, and ideally first thing in the morning after using the restroom. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and try and get that in starting from next week. This week was just about figuring out your plan, asking questions, getting a sense of what's going on. I'm happy to hear that some of you have started to lose weight. That's great. That's fine. Once again, for this challenge, we're using our jean size as a true measure of if we're making progress. But I still want to see where your weights are so I can make adjustments to your plan as needed. So here's an example of next week. So let's say I weigh in Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I stepped on the scale and that was 195, so I've entered that in. I then hopped on the scale on Wednesday and that was 193, so I've entered that in. And then on Friday I hopped on the scale and that was 194. And also when you enter that in, automatically it'll give you a weekly average, and that is very helpful for me. So going forward, starting from next week, you'll be entering this in, and I need this data week to week in order to make changes to your plan. Now, if you've gone ahead and started weighing yourself this week, feel free to fill in the weights you've put in for this week as well too. So if you weighed in this week already, and you have your weights memorized, you could go ahead and punch those in here, and that's still very helpful to me. But it wasn't required for this current week. It is required for next week and going forward. Okay? So I hope that was helpful, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.